Guru Nation, I'm leaving the site. Yuma Clinical Trials. Look, sometimes you got to take a step back in order to take two steps forward. And when the economy, right now we're in a tale of like different kinds of economies. So at sponsors and at CROs, some of them, not all of them. Most of the CROs are on a hiring pause, or they're not hiring like they were before. Like after the pandemic, they're no longer hiring, but they still are if you're super experienced or really good or in between jobs and just left, and there's opportunities being made with networking. But for the most part, it's a little slow at the sponsor and CRO level, but at the site level, especially if you are at the right kind of site, like it's booming right now. It's March, it's gonna be April. Next time I set foot in this building, it's gonna be April 2024. I'm leaving for the weekend, and we're getting lots of studies. Like there's a handful of studies that we're gonna be getting that I'm actually short-staffed on, that we select our staff and hand train them and groom them to be research assistants and then coordinators and maybe eventually site directors or lead CRCs. But the point of all this is, if you are someone that just got laid off or can't find a job at a CRO or a sponsor, it may not be bad to consider research sites. Even though it seems like taking a step back, this is where the rubber meets the road, as far as where all the vendors, all the tech tools, everything, all the patients, all the sponsors, all the CROs, everything converges at the site level. And it's so important, especially for those who have never gotten that hands-on experience at a site. This might be a good opportunity for you to consider. Now, yes, typically comes with pay cut, but if you have expertise at a CRO or a sponsor, you might even be able to negotiate with the site owner. Say, hey, I'll be willing to do this. What do you need help with? And the point of this, not to apply at my site, because we're really small. I mean, we're growing, but we're small. I'm in the process of hiring, training medical assistants and phlebotomists. But find a site near you. And there are still remote opportunities available. We actually have, for our CRA Academy interns, for the best ones, we have remote quality assurance internship opportunities. And in the past, shout out to Samantha Anderson and her husband Daniel, in the past that has translated into actual jobs, remote jobs. Matter of fact, she was one of the first ones. She's a CRC Academy alumni. So sometimes, even if you're like in between jobs or out of work, sometimes an internship, I know it doesn't sound great, an internship at a site, if you can figure out a way, hey, I'll do this remotely, I just want experience, I don't want gaps on my resume. Or, hey, if you value my work, I'm a consultant, this is what I charge, let's negotiate what works for you. I'm really more interested in the work and staying active, especially at the site level, than the money. Those are things sites want to hear. Just some ideas for you, because I know it's slow at the CRO and sponsors, but at the sites, I'm telling you, I've never been busier, maybe ever, in my career as a site owner. So it's a tale of two different markets, and it's booming at the sites right now, and at the right sites, maybe in the right markets. Let me know what you think. Good luck out there. Sometimes you just need to take a few steps back in order to get forward in your career. And who knows, maybe you find a new consulting business career for yourself, or you, at least if nothing else, you're going to network with people and make new connections and learn a lot. Don't be afraid of the rejection. Learn from the rejection. Try to find out the actual reason why they said no. And one of my business school professors always told me, there is no no. I don't accept no. I accept not that way. So I need to approach it in a different way. Trying to keep this one short, sweet, and motivational. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye-bye. Good luck.